Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to another Locksport update. I just want to start off by saying thank you to everyone that has helped me reach 20,000 subscribers. That is such a really great milestone, and thank you again to everyone that has helped support my channel. I really appreciate you. This has just been such a fun channel to run. And now I'm going to start off with this week's Locksport update. Thank you so much for checking out this week's Locksport update, and if you happen to be new here, welcome, and just thank you so much for checking this out. This is such a fun community to be a part of, and I just really encourage you to try to get involved, and just thank you so much for checking out this video. This is a really fun community video where the community adds any updates that they've had throughout the week. They drop them in the comment section below, and I go through them every single week, and I try to share everyone's updates every single Saturday. If you have any updates that you'd like to see shared next week, please drop them in the comment section below, and I'll try to share them next week. How I'd like to start off this week's Locksport update is going over a quick message from Lebel.
Alright everyone, it's Albert Lebel, same name under my YouTube channel. This is the Locks Without Borders collection, the padlock collection, proudly donated by Locksport members. I like how that sign came out, by the way. So this is what it is. It's a padlock collection. Basically what we're trying to do is get a padlock from as many members of the Locksport community as we can. I just think it's a fantastic idea. And as you can see by all these locks, we've already had a whole bunch of people participate. What we're looking to do is get more people to participate. We've got William Mansell from Texas over here, Funky Monkey, Australia, Crank, Australia, a different part of Australia, Bearsback, California, Daz Evers, England. There's many. Chris Aaron's up top, Arizona. We got K1 Locks, Washington. But what we're trying to do, like I said, is just get a padlock from as many members from around the world as we can. I think it's a fantastic idea. And what I'm starting to do also, I think is cool, is I'm going to start putting the mileage that the lock traveled on the lock also. These are just stickers. It doesn't harm the lock in any way. But this Union from the Mad Hatter got recently, it traveled 4,464 miles. I mean, it's just fantastic. So I'm going to start putting the mileage in all these. Probably on the weekend when I have time, I'm going to get around to that. And if you are interested in sending one in, please do. I'm going to try and put my contact info up here, just like that. If you'd like to contact me to send one in, I would highly appreciate it. As you can see, it's growing. It's growing slowly, but it's growing. So thank you so much for participating. Big Al, signing off.
Thank you so much for checking out that quick message by Albert Lebel. His Locks Without Borders project is a pretty cool project, and it's really cool to watch it grow every week. If you're interested in contributing to his Locks Without Border project, I will leave his email in the video description below, and you can try to contact him and set that up. Another thing that I'd like to mention this week is Matt's Lockpit. What Matt's Lockpit mentioned to me last week is he started a Facebook page called LockTube. LockTube is a Facebook page that is dedicated to helping the Locksport community grow. YouTube is always making it more difficult for smaller channels to get started. They are making it harder for videos to pop up in the search algorithm, getting your channel monetized, and just really trying to grow your channel. So, in a lot of the different Locksport groups, they do not promote self-promotion. They really do not enjoy people promoting their own videos. And what Matt's Lockpick did was he started this Facebook page so that people could feel free to promote their own videos and try to help their channels grow. Matt's Lockpit sees the value in people being able to share their videos and being able to just see the community grow as a whole. We need to all try to grow together if we want the community to grow as a whole. So it is a really cool little place to be, and if you'd like to check it out, just go on Facebook and check out LockTube. It is a closed group, but all you need to do is accept the rules and they will let you join right up. It is such a fun little community to be a part of, and I highly recommend that you check it out. Another thing I'd like to mention this week is going to be Nemo Griff. Nemo Griff, congratulations on winning SaucePest's giveaway. It is such a cool giveaway that you won. And thank you so much to SaucePest for doing that giveaway, and congrats to you on all of your subscribers. And I do have a question for everyone this week. Do you know what has happened to Scruffy's locks? I haven't heard from him in over a month, and he has not made a video in over a month as well.
Hello people, I have bought an oven. Not the one you cook in or make food in, but the one that heats up this place so I don't freeze my butt off sitting down here. So that means we can do Stock Lock Sunday. And this guy.
Scruffy did a really cool video series where he made a video every day for about 45 days. He was very active in the community and just always making videos, and I'm just wondering what happened. He was going so strong and he just stopped one day. I hope everything is well with Scruffy, and I'm just wondering if anyone has heard from him. And another thing I'd like to mention is just thank you again to everyone that helped Russie J02 reach his goal last week. Russie J02 was an example of a channel that got demonetized last year due to the new YouTube monetization policies, and thanks to everyone, he was able to reach over 1,000 subscribers. It is such a hard goal to reach, and I just want to say thank you again to everyone that helped support him. And another thing that was mentioned in the comments in my prior Locksport update, my first live stream, was Thumper. Thumper mentioned recently that he was trying to show some support to Andy Mack and Bosnian Bill. What he did was he tried to send them a $5 donation, but instead he added on 2 extra zeros. So he sent them both $500 each, and that was by accident. And to his surprise, Andy Mack was not willing to take that money, and he sent it back right away without asking. And Bosnian Bill was just as easy about sending the money back. Thumper was just so happy to see how honest and how helpful the community was, and they realized his error right away, and they were just able to get that back to him. That is such a really great example of our community just being so kind, and I just want to say thank you to Andy Mack and Bosnian Bill for being so nice to Thumper. But that is all I have for you guys this week. This has been a really quick Locksport update. If you guys have any updates that you'd like to share next week, please drop them in the comment section below. I read through everyone's comments, and I'll try to include them next Saturday. But either way, guys, if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. And just thank you so much for checking this out.